Hello everyone, today I will show you how to invite people to your OpenAI account. Currently, OpenAI does not offer a direct invitation feature for accounts in the same way other platforms might. However, if you want to invite someone to join OpenAI, you can guide them to create their own account. And here's how it's done. 1. Go to OpenAI's website. Direct them to openai.com. 2. Sign up for an account. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the website. 3. Create an account. They can sign up using their email address, Google or Microsoft account. 4. Verification. After signing up, they will need to verify their email address if they use email sign up. 5. Start using OpenAI. Once their account is set up and verified, they can access OpenAI services such as ChatGPT, DALL-E, and other tools. That's everything you need to know about how to invite people to your OpenAI account. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.